Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified when a new video is up. In this video, I am so excited to unbox with you two of the items I bought from the designer's sales event that's happening recently. The first item that we are going to be unboxing is from Saks Fifth Avenue, and it is the Valentino Garavani Rockstud leather and Cork platform sandals in tan. It comes with a dust bag, and they also sent the signature Rockstuds in gold tone metal, just in case one comes off. These midsoles bring casual summery mood. They're crafted in Italy with leather straps accented with Valentino's signature Rockstuds in gold tone metal. The Cork platform heel is 1.25 inches. Match them with a flowing dress for a bohemian look. Now I'm so excited to try them on. I like that these sandals are very nice and easy to pair with any outfit, and they're very comfortable to walk in. And I am always having a hard time finding the comfortable shoes or sandals for me because of my wide feet and would usually squeeze my toes, but this one is just perfect and comfortable. If you have a problem with your bunion, I think this is a perfect sandals for you. The strap is not in the way. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!